solar lights. We've all been burned. They die in months, flicker in winter, and leave your yard in darkness. But what I'm holding, this isn't just another solar light. This is the new 2026 Tuffenough lineup, engineered to end solar light frustration forever. For the past month, I've put them through hell, rain, snow, and complete darkness, to see if they're just tough in name, or tough enough to actually survive. The results? You're not ready for this. Number 1. 9500W Solar Street Lights. The 9500W Solar Security Light has built-in 56 5054 super bright LED lamp beads and 40,000 mAh battery, lifespan up to 95,000 hours. Solar powered, no electricity bills, automatically turns on at dusk, charges during the day, and continuously illuminates for more than 28 hours, when fully charged. Best for commercial and garden lighting, there is only one solar panel available. Solar Motion Lights Outdoor. The LED solar street light is equipped with a remote control, which is convenient for long-distance use. You can choose different lighting modes: motion sensor mode, timed lighting mode, and always lighting mode, and light brightness according to your needs. 10% to 100% brightness level is adjustable. 3 timing models are available: 3 divided by 5 divided by 8H. Large capacity battery. The solar street light has a built-in 40,000 mAh lithium battery, which is more stable and durable. Equipped with 1 solar panels, compared with ordinary solar lights, our lights can absorb twice the solar energy during the day, convert it into double electrical energy and store it, and output it as light energy at night. Number 2. 8000W Solar Street Lights Outdoor. Equipped with upgraded spherical lens technology and advanced LED chips, the Deaton Solar Lights Outdoor provide exceptionally powerful illumination without creating any glare, making them ideal for use in patios, driveways, and yards. Designed to cover an impressive illumination range of up to 3,600 square feet, these solar street lights deliver an even, flicker-free light that effectively eliminates dark spots, ensuring safety and visibility in outdoor areas. One of the standout features of these solar lights is their high-efficiency dual solar panels coupled with a long-lasting battery. Compared to older models with single-panel configurations, this innovative design allows for faster charging, maximizing sunlight absorption with its adjustable angles ranging from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The large battery capacity enables the lights to provide consistent all-night lighting for up to 24 hours, based on a charging period of just 6 to 8 hours. Moreover, these lights are designed to withstand various weather conditions, boasting a robust IP67 waterproof rating that ensures reliable performance year-round. Number 3. 6500K Street Lights Outdoor. Equipped with an impressive array of 330 high-density 5730 SMD LEDs, this lighting solution is capable of delivering a staggering 18,000 lumens. This output represents a significant enhancement, offering 30% more brightness compared to standard models available on the market. The upgraded LED array is designed not only for brightness but also for longevity, with less than 3% light decay expected over a period of 3 years. This ensures that users receive powerful illumination over a vast area, covering up to 1,800 square feet, making it an ideal choice for various outdoor applications including driveways, garages, entrances, backyards for enhanced security, and pathways to ensure safe passage. What sets this lighting system apart are its 3 intelligent lighting modes that offer smart control options for users. The first mode, Motion Sense Mode, intelligently conserves energy by automatically dimming the lights to 30% brightness when no movement is detected, then surging back to 100% brightness upon sensing movement, thus providing maximum efficiency. Number 4. 12,000W Solar Street Light with Dual Solar Panels. Our Aidwalk Solar Street Light is a cutting-edge lighting solution that harnesses the power of advanced optical lens-focused LED technology. These high-performance LEDs create an exceptionally bright illumination that significantly outperforms traditional lighting bulbs. The design of the light features a wide 300 degrees multi-angle lighting capability, ensuring that it provides uniform illumination across a vast area of up to 5,000 square feet. This remarkable coverage eliminates the presence of dark zones, making it ideal for extensive lighting needs in locations such as parking lots, highways, streets, yards, and industrial areas. One of the key features of our solar streetlight is its solar dusk to dawn functionality. This intelligent system allows the lights to automatically turn on as the sun sets and switch off at dawn, ensuring seamless operation without requiring any manual intervention. For added convenience, the 8-walk solar lights come equipped with a user-friendly remote control. This remote allows users to easily adjust the brightness levels, set timers for operation, with options for 3, 5, or 8 hours, and turn the lights on or off from a distance, enhancing the flexibility of use. So, if you're done with flimsy lights that fail and ready to illuminate your property with something that genuinely lasts, your search ends here. The direct links to purchase the top-ranked Tuffenough models from this review are all organized in the description below. If this brutal test saved you time and money, please hit that like button, share this with someone whose lights just died, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews that separate the hype from what actually works. Light up your nights, for good.